Hello shoppers and viewers. In this video we'll be showing you the Coleman Supportrest Elite. We're looking for an airbed and this is the one we chose. We're looking for a brand with a good reputation for quality and Coleman is the one. Most important thing of an airbed is that it's airtight. You don't want an airbed that's leaking air when you're lying on the bed and waking up on the floor, right? So the other thing is this airbed has anti-microbial sleep surface, so it's supposed to keep the sleep surface germ free, and it supports up to 300 pounds, and it's a twin size bed, 75 by 40 by 20 inflated. So we also like the fact that the pump is actually built in, so it's 120 volt pump, and based on the dial you can compress or inflate. So it says under 2-minute inflation. That's a bold marketing claim. So we will need to test this out to find out if it really can be done in under 2 minutes. Here it shows you it's for residential use only. And again, pretty much the same. Always good to read the warning labels. And over on the other side, it basically tells you how it does its airtightness. There's a support lock, a reinforced construction, and they give you more sleeping surface. And they have a double valve, dual sealed leak-free valve, they claim. And there's a soft plush top, velvet-like sleep surface for more comfort. Alright, so we're very interested in checking it out. And here it is. When we take it out of the box, we get a bag. This is great. There's a bag. It's likely that once we open it up, we may have difficulty putting everything back into the box. So let's actually take a look what comes in this black bag. And here's what we have inside the bag. It is a manual airbed with built-in electric pump. Probably a good read. And there's warranty service if you need it. And let's actually look at the bed. So this is the piece that we'll roll out, and we'll need to inflate this. So let's roll this thing out on the floor, and we'll do an inflation attempt here and try to see how long it takes to actually inflate the bed. It actually looks really nice. It's rolling out to be a full-size twin. And it has a nice Coleman logo here. Let me push this all the way out so it'll have a chance to expand into a twin-size bed. There's the power cord right over there. And the power cord, the prongs are protected. And this is the leak-free valve. And this is the pump. Now we're ready to do the test. We're going to inflate the airbed and see how long it takes. To do that, we turn the dial clockwise 90 degrees. We'll speed this up so you don't have to wait. And after 1 minute and 9 seconds, the bed looks fully inflated. Depending on the pressure you want, you may want to try a few more seconds, or if you want it a little bit softer, probably a few seconds less. But this looks like a regular twin-size bed, and it's double height. So this is sleepable already. As we look around the inflated bed, you can see it has the nice Coleman logo on the side, and looks very professional. Now looking at the top surface, it's nice white cover, and looks like the typical bumps you find in a regular bed. If you feel it, it's firm. It's firm, doesn't yield, and this should give a very good sleep surface. Alright. What about the height of the bed? So this is the next thing we want to do. It's supposed to be 20 inches. Let's get out a measuring tape and measure the height. And as we're measuring, we see that it comes up to 20 inches. If we're covering the plush top, that's 20 inches. And here is the leak-free valve. Let's open the valve. We don't get air coming out. Now let's see how quickly it takes to deflate the bed. So we go back here, turn the dial counterclockwise 90 degrees, and there's no air leaking out over here. And we can see the bed is deflating. And the bed is fully deflated and ready to be put back into the bag. There you have it, the Coleman Supportrest Elite, fully inflated and deflated. Now when guests come, we can set up a bed in under 2 minutes. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.